AI has taken over the world, and its first step is to make it super easy for kids to cheat on their homework. ChatGPT is a new AI program that can take a prompt and write a fully formed response in just moments. This is great for getting out of book reports, but can it be used to make a Minecraft YouTube video? Are all the YouTube nerds like me just a few short years away from being replaced by cyborgs? Let's find out. So I hopped into ChatGPT and started to play around with some different prompts with the idea of trying to get a script for a video titled The History of Hypixel Bedwars. After a few different attempts, I settled on the prompt, provide me a 750-word script for a video about the history of Hypixel Bedwars. The AI program quickly spit out a script which was, well, interesting. The program provided me with exactly what to say and even laid out what shots to put into the video. If this worked, my videos were about to be so much easier to write. I mean, it literally took less than 5 minutes to make this script, which is kind of crazy. So without further ado, here is the history of Hypixel Bedwars according to a computer. Welcome to the history of Hypixel's Bedwars, a game that has captivated players for years with its unique blend of strategy, building, and bed fighting action. Bedwars was first released on the Hypixel server in 2012, and it quickly became one of the most popular games on the server. It was created by a team of developers who wanted to create a unique, team-based game that combined elements of Minecraft and traditional team-based shooters. In its early days, the game was relatively simple, with teams starting on their own islands, each with one bed. The goal was to protect your own bed while trying to destroy the beds of the other teams. Players could collect resources and use them to upgrade their gear and weapons, build defenses, and create bridges to other islands. As the game grew in popularity, the developers continued to add new features and game modes. They introduced the ability to upgrade beds, which made it more difficult for opponents to destroy them. They also added new weapons and armor, giving players more options for attacking and defending. One of the most significant updates was the introduction of the TNT Run game mode. This mode added a new layer of strategy to the game, as players had to navigate a TNT-filled map and be the last one standing. Bedwars also saw the introduction of cosmetics, allowing players to customize their islands and characters. This added a new level of personalization to the game, and it helped to create a more immersive experience. Over the years, Bedwars has undergone numerous updates and changes, but the core gameplay has remained the same. The game continues to be one of the most popular on the Hypixel server, and it has a dedicated community of players who have been with it from the beginning. As Bedwars continues to evolve, one thing is clear. The game's combination of strategy, building, and bed fighting action will keep players coming back for more. So yeah, that was interesting, right? Apparently Bedwars is 10 years old, allows you to upgrade your bed in order to make it harder to break, and is actually just TNT Run. Good to know. In all seriousness, ChatGPT is actually super impressive. It generated this script in less than 30 seconds, and some of the other scripts it came up with were a bit more accurate, but not as good for content. In time, tools like this are going to have incomprehensible uses in virtually all fields, including YouTube. For now though, I think we are safe from being replaced by AI content overlords. If you want to see more videos of me playing around with ChatGPT, just let me know down in the comments. Also, subscribe.